Now that I've learned how to make cassava like this, I want to make it every weekend because it's so good and easy. Here I'm going to use about 300 grams of raw peeled cassava. Grate them like this. In the meantime, I'd love to know how far my recipes are reaching. I send a big hug to all of you. I'm talking about the west of Paraná. And I'd also like to send a hug to Maria from São Paulo capital. And to Jessica from Manaus. Big hugs to all of you and thank you very much. Now that it's grated, we'll fry it in a pan of hot oil. Add the grated cassava. Let it fry well until it reaches this point. Now take it out and add the spices. Here I'm using half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Calabrian pepper. Remember that the Calabrian pepper is to taste. A teaspoon of oregano and mix well. And that's it. This cassava looks incredible. Too good. Super crunchy. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Until next time, and a big hug.